Whiskey, don't tease her. Yeah, I'm sorry, Anna. You were kind of a bully earlier. I hate doing that. But she is a big old bully, isn't she, Whiskey? Oh my goodness, yes, Ingpen, she is such a booger. I still don't get why you guys like to attack my legs. I should probably walk around carefully. It's okay. You're alright, Robin. No, you're still shy. Lou, sort of gaining her trust, not quite. Pinkman's all over me, of course. Yeah, they've gotten really old now. They're much bigger. You can barely tell who's who now. Well, except for Ingpen and Kimawari over here. And of course Anna. She's the biggest in the, the pecking order leader, but she's also a giant bully. That's why she's in the pen right now, because she was being too much of a bully. I get the pecking order, but she overdoes it. Kind of reminds me of a certain anime character with a lot of attitude. Boop. Ingpen's feathers are so cute. Every time they wag little tails or they shake their little tail feathers, they're so cute. Yeah, everyone has changed from when they were chicks. But Mama can still tell. Yeah, that one's Whiskey. Of course, Ingpen's obvious. Elizabeth is actually that one with the bands. That one's Mina. Of course, this is Hema here. I already told you that one is Anna. And Robin and Whiskey are over there. And that one is Blueberry. They've all changed a lot, man. I miss the fuzzy chick days, but this is cool too. They're still cute and they still make the little peep noises, but probably not for much longer. I didn't think they'd have so much personality, but they are hilarious. Hey, I'm sorry, I can't go back there, baby. You never come back out without a fight. I know you guys don't get out much, but this is a little too much to ask going back there. You're gonna get a nice pin soon, I promise. We're gonna get an outdoor run. It's gonna be a lot of fun. And my shoe obsession is just, I still don't understand that. I do it every time. Must just be a chicken thing. God, they're so weird. Hi. Hannah's eating eating the food over there. She is not happy with me. Well, I guess to her it's just free meals and no one else has to fight with her, so I guess in a way she kind of wins too. But I might have to start putting her in there and give them all a break when she's being too much of a bully. They're definitely about 6 to 7 weeks old now. I'm not an expert, I'm still just a first time mom here, but they're all doing very well. Except for like a few poop accidents, of course. It's all over the place. It's been doing that. Hi. They like to peck the camera too. It's so cute.